Adidas Samba is getting a bold new update this fall. Long a global staple, the classic silhouette has exploded in popularity over the past 2 years, thanks to its timeless appeal and versatile styling. While the black and white versions remain fan favorites, Adidas is pushing the envelope with more fashion-forward takes, like this upcoming faux snakeskin edition. This new version brings a high-shine, reptilian texture to the iconic football trainer, swapping out the usual leather and suede for something more eye-catching. Glossy uppers, golden samba text on the lateral sides, and creamy accents on the heel, tongue, and lining, especially on the green pair, add a premium touch. Despite the flashy update, both pairs stay grounded with a traditional gum rubber outsole. Expect the faux snakeskin covered Sambas to drop on Adidas.com in October. Official images have already surfaced, giving a detailed look at the daring duo before their launch.